Hi, I'm Sukula, Assistant Professor, Bharat Institute of Law, Bharat Institute of Higher Education, Research and Development. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is definition of demand. Demand. Demand is a quantity of commodity which a consumer wishes to purchase at a given level of price and during the specific period of a time. In other words, demand for a commodity refers to the desire to buy a commodity packed with sufficient purchasing power and the willing to spend. Demand is the quantity of the commodity which a consumer wishes to purchase at a given level of price and during the specific period of time. Demand substitute goods are those goods which can be used to place off the another goods, give the same satisfaction to a consumer. Desire. Desire is the main thing of the demand. Desire is the very important in demand. Desire is the gesture which for a commodity and a person can desire of commodity, even he does not have the capacity to buy it from the market, whereas demand is desire packed by purchasing power. That is to say, whatever an individual is willing to buy from the market in a given period of time, a given price. A poor person can desire to own a car, but that will not become a demand because he does not have the purchasing power to buy a car from the market. Demand refers to consumer desire to purchase goods and services at given prices. Demand can be either market demand for the specific goods or aggregate demand for the total of all goods in the economy. Demand aligned with the supply determines the actual price of goods and volume of goods that change hand in the market. Demand refers to the consumer desire to purchase of goods and services at given prices. Demand can mean either market of demand for the specific goods or aggregate demand for the demand for the total all goods in the economy. Demand aligned with the supply determines the actual price of the goods and the value of goods that change hand in the market. Demand quantity of demanded, quantity of commodity, which a consumer wishes to purchase a given level of price and during the specific period of time. In other words, the demand for a commodity refers to the desire to buy a commodity packed with the sufficient purchasing power and willing to spend. Demand for a commodity is the quantity which a consumer willing to buy particular price at a particular time. In economics, demand is the quantity of goods that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices during a given period of time. The relationship between price and quantity of demanded is also called the demand. Demand for a specific item is a function of item. That's why necessity price, that's why quality, convenience, available of alternatives, purchaser, disposable of income and taste, and many other factors. The demand arises out of the following things: desire or want of the commodity. Desire is the just wish for a commodity, and a person can desire a commodity even if does not have a capacity to buy it from the market. Whereas demand, the desire backed by purchasing power, that is to say, whatever an individual is willing to buy from the market in given period of time at a price, given price. A poor man can desire one car, but that will not become a demand because they does not have the purchasing power to buy a car from the market. The desire or want of the commodity, ability to pay, willing to pay, only when all these three things are present, then consumer present is demand in the market. The demand for anything at a given price is the amount of which will be the bought per unit of time at the price. Professor Bentham referred to demand. We mean the quantity of the commodity that will be purchased at a particular price, not merely desire at the things. Handsets. Demand functions. Demand function shows the relationship between quantity demanded for a particular commodity and the factor influence it. It can be either with the respect of the one consumer or all the consumer in the market. A consumer of demand for a commodity is influenced by the following factors. A consumer demand for a commodity is influenced by the price of the commodity. Usually the higher price, the lower will be the quantity demanded. The consumer demanded for a commodity is influenced by the price of income. In most cases, the largest income, the greater will be the quantity demanded. A consumer demanded for a commodity influenced by the price of related commodities. They may be complementary or substitute. The taste of the consumer. Some consumer very much like some product. For example, Sunrise Coffee and Arun ice cream is the taste of the consumer. And the demand of the commodity is the quantity which a consumer are able to willing to buy at various price during a given period time. Price related goods. It may be of two types. Number one, substitute goods. Number two, complementary goods. Factor affecting market demand. Price of the commodity, price of related commodity, income of consumer, and taste and preference of consumer and miscellaneous. And population size. Demand increases with the increases in population and decreases with decreases in population. This is because with the increase or decrease in population size, the number of buyer of the product tends to the increase or decrease. The compositions of population also affect the demand. If composition of population changes, namely female population increase, demand for goods mean for women will goes up. Distribution of income. Market demand is also influenced by the change in distributions of income in the society. If income is not equally distributed, there will be less demand. If income equally distributed, there will be more demand. So, in the society, if the income is not equally distributed, some category is the higher income group, some category have the lower income group, some category group of peoples, they have the more income group. So, if the income is not equally distributed, demand function shows the relationship between quantity demanded for a particular commodity and the factor that they influence it. Individual demand function refer to the functional relationship between individual demand and the factor affecting individual demand. Demand is a quantity of commodity which the consumer wishes to purchase at a given level of price and during the specific period of the time. There are some goods, normal goods and inferior goods. For normal commodity with the rise in income, the demand of the commodity also rises. And inferior goods, as for inferior goods with the rise in income, the demand of the commodity falls and market demand refers to the quantity of the commodity that all the consumer are willing to and able to buy, and particular price that during the given period of time. Income of the consumer. For normal commodity, there are three types of the goods, normal commodity. For normal commodity, with a rise in income, the demand of the commodity also rises. And shortly direct relationship exists between income of consumer and demand of normal commodity. And wants may arise due to the elementary and psychological causes. The wants for food, the clothing and housing, and elementary and psychological. Wants may arise due to social causes. The number of society people, we may require particular type of food and dresses that follow the society. And the inferior goods. For inferior goods within a rise in income, the demand of the commodity falls and shortly inverse relationship exists between income of consumer and demand of inferior goods. And for necessity goods, whether income increase or decrease, quantity demand remain constant. Necessity goods, for example, milk and rice, very important necessity in our day-to-day life. Milk and rice, their price is Sometimes increase and another time decreases. Whatever may be, people will buy the goods. So, for necessity goods, whether income increase or decrease, quantity demand remain constant, no change. For inferior goods with rising income, the demand of the commodity falls. The inverse relationship exists between the income of the consumer of demand and inferior goods. Taste and preference. The taste and preference and habit of the consumer also influence in demand for the commodity. For example, black and white TV set goes out the fashion. And its demand will fall. Similarly, student may demand more of book and pens than utensil of his preference and taste. Miscellaneous, some of the factors affecting the demand of the consumer are changing weather, change in number of family members, expected change in future price, etc. And market refer to the quantity of commodity that all the consumer are willing and able to buy at particular price during the given period of time. Demand for a commodity refer the desire backed by the ability to pay and willing to buy it. If a person below poverty line want to buy a car, it is the only desire, but not only demand as they cannot pay for the car. If a rich man wants to buy a car, it's a demand, he will be able to buy for a car. The desire backed by the purchasing power of demand. The demand for any commodity mainly depend on the price of the commodity. Mainly depends upon the price of the commodity. The other determinant include the price related the commodity, the income of consumer, taste and preference. Taste and preference of the consumer, the wealth of the consumer and taste and the consumer. Some consumer taste, prefer the taste. The consumer like the drinks coffee in regularly. So the important preference to the consumer taste and preference. And factor influence demand. Price, the higher the price of the commodity, the lower of the quantity demand, the lower of the price, the higher of the quantity demanded. There are three types of the commodity in the contest. And Giffen paradox. Sir Robert Giffen discovered that poor people will demand more of inferior goods. If their price rises and demand less in their price fall. Inferior goods are those goods which people buy a large quantity when they are poor in small quantity, spend a major part of the income on grains, for example, ragi and solar, and only a small part of rice. When the price of the grain rises, they will buy less rice. To fill up the resulting gap, more of the grain have to purchase. The rise in price for grain have to be purchased. The rise in the price, the grain result in the increase in the quantity of the grains purchased. That is called Giffen paradox. In the case, law of demand and the expectation. The law of demand states that there is a negative or inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded of commodity over a period of time. Alfred Marshall stated that the greater amount of the sold, the smaller must be the price at which the is offered. In order that it may purchase, or in the other word, the amount of the demanded, the increase with the falling price and diminishes with the rise in price. According to the demand is the quantity demanded varies inversely with the price. The law of some assumption of the law of demand, no change in the consumer income, no change in the consumer taste and preference, no change in the price and other goods, and no new substitute of the goods and have been discovered, and people do not feel the present fall in price is a prelude of the further decline in the prices. The prices of the other commodity, there are three types of the commodity in the context. Substitute. If the rise in the price, the commodity lead to an increase or decline. The demand for another commodity, two commodities are said to be the substitute. In other words, substitute are those commodities which satisfy similar want, such as a tea or coffee. If the price of the coffee falls, the demand for coffee rises, which being a fall in the demand for tea because the consumer of a tea shift their demand to the coffee with the become a cheaper. On the other hand, if the price of the coffee rises, its demand will fall, but the demand for a tea will rise because the consumer of coffee with the shift their demand and tea. The complementary commodities, where the demand are for two commodities in like a linked to each other, such as car and petrol, bread and butter, tea and sugar, pen and ink, etc. They are said to be complementary goods. Complementary goods are those which cannot be used without each other. You say the price of the car rising and they become expensive. The demand for them will fall and so will the demand for petrol. On the contrary, if the price of the car fall and they become cheaper, the demand for them will increase and will demand the petrol. So complementary goods is the linked in each commodity linked to each other. Car and petrol, and the taste and preference is the demand for a commodity we may change due to change in taste. Preference and fashions. For example, demand for dhotis has come down the demand for trouser, clothes, jeans, and goes up due to change in the fashion. And income of the consumer. When the income of the consumer increases, more will be demanded. Therefore, we can say the income increase. Other things being equal, the demand for a commodity also increases. Comfort and luxury belong to the categories. And price of the substitute. Some goods can be substituted for the other goods. For example, tea and coffee and substitute. If the price of the coffee increase while the price of the tea remain the same, there will be the increase the demand for a tea and decrease the demand for a coffee. The demand for the substitute move the opposite direction. And number of the consumer. Size of the population of the country is the important determinant of the demand. For instance, largest the populations, more will be the demand. For the certain goods like food grains, art, pulses, etc. When the number of consumers increases, there will be the greater demand for the goods. Expectation for the future price changes. If the consumer believes that the price of the commodity will rise in the future, he may buy a large quantity of the commodity in the present. Suppose he expects the price to fall, he may defer some of his purchase the future date. Distribution of income. Distribution of income affects the consumption pattern and the demand for various goods. If the government attempts the redistribution of income, make the equitable, the demand for luxury will decline and the demand for necessity for life will increase. Climate and weather conditions. Demand for a commodity may change due to the change in climate conditions. For example, during summer season, demand for cool drinks and cotton, cloth and ice creams and air condition will increase the price. In winter season, demand for woolen cloth and sweater is the very important by the consumer product. State of business during the boom, demand will expand during the depression, demand will be contract. Consumer innovation. When the price, the wheat flour or price of electricity and fall, the consumer identify new uses for the product. It creates a new demand for the product. So the complementary commodity is the on the price of the car fall and became the cheaper, the demand for the increase and the demand for the petrol. Factor determine the individual demand. Demand is not dependent on price alone. There are many other factors which affect the demand of a product. These factors are the follows: price of the product, income of the consumer, price of the related goods, consumer taste and preference, expectation of the future prices, and economic conditions. Unrelated goods. If the two commodities are unrelated, say refrigerator and bicycle, a change in price of one will have no effect on the quantity demanded of the other things. And income. Raise the consumer income rises the demand for the commodity and fall in this income reduce the demand for it. So inverse relationship of the demand. The taste, when there is a change in the taste of the consumer in favor of commodity, say that due to the fashion, the demand will rise with no change in the price. The price of the commodity and the income of the consumer on the other hand, a change in taste against the commodity leads to a fall in its demand. Other factor affecting the demand remaining unchanged. Substitute goods are those goods which can be used in place or another goods and give the some satisfaction to a consumer. For example, Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Complementary goods. Complementary goods are those which goods are useless in the absence of another goods and which are demanded jointly. For example, pen and refill is the complementary
goods. Example. Price of the product. Demand for the commodity depends on its price. As a price rises for a normal goods, demand fall in price rise. However, there are expectations. For example, given goods, price rises, demand also rises. Income of the consumers. The key determinant of demand is the level of income. The higher, for example, the higher level of income, the higher the demand for given commodity. Consumer income and quantity demanded are generally related positively. It means that when income of the consumer rises, he wants to have more unit of the commodity. And when his income falls, he reduces the demand. Price of related goods. Consumption choice are also influenced by the alternative options available to user in the relevant market. Market information regarding alternative products, quality, convenience, and dependability all influence choice. The two products may be related in two ways. Firstly, a complementary good, and secondly, substitute goods. Complementary goods, goods that those goods which are used jointly and consumed together like tennis ball and racket, petrol and car. The relationship between the price of the product and quantity of demanded of another inverse. For example, if the price of the car were the rise, less people would choose buy and use the car. And switching the perhaps the public transport train. It follow the under the her customers the demand for the complementary goods and petrol would also decrease. And substitute goods, which are prescribed by the consumer to be the alternative and product. That termed the substitute good. There is a direct relationship between the demand for a product and the price of the substitute. Example, scooter and a motorcycle and tea and coffee. The increase in price here would decrease in the quantity demanded and people would switch over the substitute complementary and commodity of coffee. Consumer taste and preference, demand for a product also affected by the taste and preference of the consumer. As a taste of the preference shift from the one commodity to another commodity. Demand for the first commodity reduce and the other commodity rise. Expectation of future price, the current demand for a product also depends on the expected price in future purpose. If future purpose expected in price rise, it present demand immediately increase the because the consumer has tendency to store in all low price for the future consumption. If, however, the price of the product is expected to fall, then he has a tendency to postpone the consumption. And as a result, the present demand would also fall. And economic condition, the demand for the commodity also depends upon prevailing business condition in the country. For example, during the inflationary period, more money circulation and people have more purchasing power. This causes an increase the demand various goods given the even the higher prices. Similarly, during the depression period, the demand for various goods reduce in spite of lower price because people do not have enough money to buy the commodity, buy the goods. Inferior goods of goods with the rise in income, the demand of the commodity falls. The market demand refers to the quantity commodity and fall the consumer are willing to able to buy at the particular price during a given period of time. Demand function is shows relationship between quantity demanded for a particular commodity and the factor that influence it. Their demand will increase the if they expected of the supply of the produce the goods and as the price increases, quantity demand decrease and quantity supply and increases. So the demand will increase if the expected lower prices in future income. Demand supply refer to relationship price as the quantity demand and the quantity supply. This is the producer. Is the very important of the definition of the demand analysis. Thank you.